There is no denying that good nutrition is essential for a child's growth and development. However, many parents don't realize the importance of nutrition until their child is already struggling with weight problems or other health issues. The good news is that by making a few small changes to your child's diet, you can help them stay healthy and have plenty of energy. Hello, rising parents. My name is Edna.
And I'm Tim. If you are looking for insightful parenting tips and tricks, you are in the right place.
In this video, we will go over child nutrition. So, without further ado, let's get started.
Here are 6 things to consider before planning your child's diet.
1. The benefits of breastfeeding. We're in the midst of the U.S. government's Let's Get Real with Breastfeeding campaign, aimed at convincing women to feed their babies exclusively until at least 6 months of age. The benefits of breastfeeding are many and varied. Some of the benefits include increased protection against infections, allergies, and asthma for the baby, and a decreased risk of breast cancer for the mother. Breastfeeding can also help mothers lose weight after giving birth. Additionally, breastfeeding is convenient and economical.
2. Diet and nutrition for toddlers. Toddlers need a balanced diet to grow and develop properly. The best way to ensure your toddler is getting the nutrients they need is to provide them with a variety of healthy foods. Toddlers should have 3 meals and 2 snacks per day. Their meals should include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, protein, and dairy.
Toddlers need plenty of calcium for strong bones and teeth. Dairy products are a good source of calcium, but toddlers can also get calcium from other foods such as broccoli, salmon, tofu, and almonds.
Protein is essential for growing muscles and organs. Good sources of protein for toddlers include meat, poultry, fish, eggs, beans, nuts, and seeds.
Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins and minerals that help promote growth and development. Toddlers should eat a variety of both fruits and vegetables every day.
3. Foods to avoid feeding your child. There are many foods that parents should avoid feeding their children. These include candy, soda, junk food, and other unhealthy snacks. Children who eat these foods are more likely to be overweight or obese, and they are also at risk for developing chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes.
Parents should also avoid feeding their children processed foods, which are high in unhealthy fats, sugar, and sodium. Processed foods can also lead to obesity and chronic diseases. Instead, parents should feed their children fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources.
By avoiding these unhealthy foods, parents can help their children maintain a healthy weight and reduce their risk of developing chronic diseases.
4. How to get your child to eat healthy foods. In order to get your child to eat healthy foods, you will need to have patience and perseverance. You should also be creative and have a positive attitude.
Some parents try to force their children to eat certain foods, but this usually doesn't work. The best way to get your child to eat healthy foods is by gradually introducing them to new foods and by setting a good example.
You can also make healthy foods more appealing to your child by making them into fun shapes or by serving them with a dip. It's also important to provide plenty of water and limit sugary drinks.
5. Best practices for early childhood nutrition. As a parent, you want the best for your child. You want them to grow up healthy and have all the opportunities in life that they deserve. One of the most important things you can do for your child is to make sure they are getting a healthy diet. This means providing them with nutritious foods as well as teaching them how to make healthy choices when they are older.
There are some basic things you can do to ensure your child is getting the nutrition they need. First, make sure they are eating a variety of foods from all food groups. This includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, dairy products, and protein. Second, make sure they are eating enough calories. Most children need between 1,200 and 2,000 calories per day depending on their age and activity level. Third, make sure they are drinking plenty of water and avoiding sugary drinks.
6. A resource for parents. For a long time, nutrition has been a neglected area of research. People have been told to eat well and exercise more, but how much are they being told?
The importance of child nutrition has been widely studied by researchers. But what is the right way to ensure that children are getting the right food? The most reliable source of information on nutrition and childhood health is the Food and Nutrition Board, FNB.
FNB's guidelines have been tested in research studies and provide recommendations for parents based on the best available science. These guidelines are designed to ensure children receive a balanced diet that meets their nutritional needs, provides appropriate calories, sodium, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. The FNB also recommends that certain specific foods be consumed less frequently than others.
You can find additional information about FNB's recommendations at www.fnic.nih.gov.
The importance of child nutrition cannot be overemphasized. Proper nutrition is essential for a child's growth and development. It helps them to learn and grow physically, mentally, and emotionally. A child who is well nourished is more likely to do well in school and have good health as an adult.
Parents should also make sure their children are getting enough exercise. Exercise helps children burn off energy, stay healthy, and develop strong bones and muscles. Together, good nutrition and exercise will help children reach their full potential both mentally and physically.
And this concludes child nutrition. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Be sure to check out these 2 helpful videos, and goodbye for now.